Let's see how you can easily build a French AI chatbot using the power of OpenAI ChatGPT. So here I'm in a demo account with all these channels connected. So whatever the chatbot we are going to build will simply work on all these supported channels right here. So first of all, to build an AI chatbot, you need to gather all the information about a specific business. So here we have some information about this particular company called as Sunbright Solar Solutions. So here we have some information about the company overview, founder details, and after that we actually have information about the services they provide. The pricing information is here, and also we have some frequently asked questions along with the contact information as well. So this is just the English version. So here since we want to build an AI chatbot in French, you can actually create all this information in the French language itself. So here the same thing in the French language right here. So what you can do is you can actually use this particular information for the AI chatbot. So first of all, you have to go to settings. So here so in settings you can go to integrations, and here you can decide what AI model you want to use. So here we have integrated with 5 top AI models such as OpenAI, Google Gemini, Cloud, XAI and DeepSeek. So here you need to actually connect the API keys from any AI model you want to use. For example, if you want to use OpenAI ChatGPT, click on this one, and here you have to actually connect the API keys. So if you are wondering what is this particular API keys, click on this particular learn more. So here you have a step-by-step guide on how to grab the API keys. So it will ask you to log into OpenAI platform and grab the API keys. So here if you click on that specific link, here you can simply create a new secret key right here. So you can simply use that particular key on our platform and connect the OpenAI. So if you want to use maybe cloud, you can simply click on learn more again, and you can find how to grab the API keys for the cloud as well. So here you can grab the API keys from here. So here we have already connected the OpenAI right here, right? And make sure the default agent is switched off as well. So now let's use a free template over here. So go to flows and let me go to all free templates. So let me choose this particular template, which is called as Smart Conversational AI. So first of all, let me make a duplicate of this one so we can keep the original as it is. So here let me click on this particular button and click on duplicate. So that will duplicate the exact flow right here with the name copy. So let me rename this one as, say, French AI bot. Click continue. So here if you open this particular flow, so in this particular flow, French AI bot, you have to focus on this particular thing, OpenAI action for the business information. So click on this OpenAI, and here you have information about a specific company. But if you want to add all the information about your specific business, simply delete this one. And here we have information about this particular Sunbright Solar Solutions in the French version. So let me copy all this information in the French version right here. So let me copy this information over here. All right, and here paste it. All right, so here I have just pasted all the information, and here you can simply click on continue over here and make sure to publish this one as well. All right, if you see this particular wait delay block, so here you can set the time frame for the bot to wait and respond. For example, if a particular customer sent like 5 messages within 20 seconds, it will simply wait for those 5 messages, and after that, after 20 seconds, it will simply send a response to all those 5 messages. So here you can control the time frame of the AI chatbot responses. So if you want to control like few minutes, you can do that. So let's keep as just 20 seconds over here. And now we want to make this particular flow, French AI bot, as a default flow as well. For that, let me go to the settings. So here in settings, you will see general default flow. Let me choose this particular flow, French AI bot, and save it. So now the AI chatbot will simply work on all these supported channels. So let's test this on the Facebook Messenger over here. So let me go to the Facebook page connected over here, and this is the Facebook page connected, and let me send a message over here. So here for that, let me go to this particular questions over here, and here let me ask this question: who is the founder of this company and how large is your team? So here this is how the French version of this particular question. So let me ask this same question in the French. So let me send this question over here and see how this actually works. We received the response after 20 seconds, and let's see what is the response we received over here. So let me translate this one to English. So here it says the founder of the company is this particular person. The team consists of 25 certified solar technicians and 10 design engineering specialists. So let me go to this particular business information we have and see if this is true. So here this is the founder, and let's see the information about the team: 25 certified solar technicians and 10 specialists. All right, that's correct. So now let me ask some other questions over here. So here let me say, do you provide warranties? So let me ask this question right here and see how this actually works. So let me send this right here. All right, So after 20 seconds we should receive a response. So let me wait. So here we receive the response. So let me translate this one again to English and see right here. So it says we offer 25-year guarantee of performance, 10-year labor, and 10-year inverter guarantee as well. So that's the warranty information. So that's how it actually works on the Facebook, but this can simply work on all other supported channels too. So here in the unified inbox you can find all the chats happened over here. So here this from this James Austin, and here you can find all the chats. So here this person has some previous chat history as well, so that's why it shows those information as well. So but from this particular inbox, and agent can simply send any sort of messages as well. So here let me send a random message over here, and that will simply pause the chatbot. So currently it says bot is active. So if I send a message from this inbox, it will simply pause and transfer the conversation to the human folder as well. So let me send right here and see what happens. So I just send a message from the inbox, and as you can see here, bot active is gone. So here it track all the conversation, but if you go to the human conversation, you can find this particular same contact as well. But and also if you go to this particular messenger, you see this particular message has been sent to the customer as well. That's it. So now if a particular customer asks any sort of question, they won't get any sort of responses from the AI bot because currently the chat is handled by the human. So here we receive the message, and here if you want to transfer the conversation to the AI, you have to simply click on this particular bot icon, transfer conversation to bot, and it will automatically transfer the conversation to the bot. So here you can now track this conversation is in the bot filter or all conversations. So now if a particular customer asks any sort of questions, it will simply respond using the power of AI. So that's how it works, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.